Hi, good morning. Dr. Mix here with Adjust in Bastrop, Texas. And, I kind of bring to you certain things from time to time that we find important or interesting. Last week we talked about some interesting items. This week I'd like to talk about something extremely important, and that's called forward head posture. You may have heard it referred to as FHP. And so when we start talking about forward head posture, is what people do immediately is they sit up straight. And that's exactly what forward head posture has to do with, is what's the position of your neck? Has it gone forward? When the head goes forward, it strains the body. Think about the way your body is set up and how it's supposed to sit in a certain position. When we look over exam findings with patients, we look at where their body is in space. Is the alignment the way that it should be? Now, why do we care so much about the alignment of the spine? Is because if the alignment's off, it can have a negative effect on the nervous system. Your nervous system is like the communication network for the entire body. So it's extremely important that your nervous system work without interference. And that's what we're trying to see if that's occurring. So one of the ways we look at that is the position of the spine. The latest report that we released talked about how lung capacity in individuals with FHP, or forward head posture, had decreased by 30%. Now you wonder, how does the position of the neck have to do with whether you can have full lung capacity or not? I mean, if I just take my head and put it forward, I immediately feel compressed, restricted, and at a loss. So mechanically, it decreases how well you can take a deep breath in. I mean, if I tell you to take a deep breath in right now, what do? You stand upright. Your head goes back and you have that proper position of the neck. So mechanically, it's easy to understand. Forward head posture will decrease lung capacity. However, a big part of what's going on as well is a stretch to the spinal cord. When the spine gets out of alignment, it causes a stretch, especially in the neck area. If you have that FHP, then nervous system is now stretching as the spine goes forward. That causes a decrease in communication with the innate intelligence of the body. Remember, we don't have to think about every little function that occurs. There's something inside guiding all those processes. As a chiropractor, we make sure that line of communication is open between your intelligence within your body, trying to take charge and keep you alive and well, and the body, the parts of the body that need to be a big part of that process. So at Adjust, we check that system. We check it well. We monitor it over time to make sure the nervous system continues to work unencumbered. I hope your day goes well. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.